calorimetry. It is that heat lost by a hot body is always equal to the heat gained by a cold body. That's right. Okay. What did you state? Heat. What is heat lost? Heat lost by a hot body is always equal to the heat gained by a cold body. This is principle of calorimetry. Principle of calorimetry. What is the formula that you have obtained in this one? S1 times T1 minus theta equals to times S2 times theta minus T2. Okay. So don't get confused. Here is T1 minus theta. Here is theta minus T2. Why? Theta is final temperature. When hot body and cold body are mixed together, then final temperature will be more than the temperature of cold body and less than the temperature of hot body. That's why T1 minus theta, theta minus T2. Is that clear or not? Okay. So we have already discussed about types of thermometers also. And is there anyone's presentation today? Done. Then who's done? Nobody's. Okay, so today I'll give duty to prepare the slides, and tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow during daytime we are not going to discuss because there will be grand program, and afterwards in coaching time we may discuss. Is that clear? Okay. Or if you say, okay, sir, that is Teachers' Day, let's not read, let's watch something, then I will show you something also what to do. So we should not force also, no? Right? If so, on Monday there will be presentation. All right? So for Monday's presentation, I'll give the tax. Why are you biting the ball pen? Do you get some sort of lovely, yummy nutrients from that plastic? Oh, miss. What happened to this miss? By hearing miss, she became very angry. Don't press your nose unnecessarily. Okay. Now, at last, what are you going to discuss? Calibration of thermometers. What is given here? Calibration of thermometers. So, while discussing about calibration of thermometer, we have to know about 2 points. What to learn? Upper fixed point and lower fixed point. Meet me after this. Now I'm in class A. Otherwise, class will disturb, no? So we are doing something. Upper fixed point. What do you mean upper fixed point? The upper level of thermometer. Or upper fixed point is defined as the boiling point of water at normal temperature, normal atmospheric pressure or normal conditions. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees centigrade. But actually there are different scales. How many scales are there? 3. One is degree Celsius, another is degree Fahrenheit, another is Kelvin. How many scales are there? 3. What are they? Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Already given here, right? Boiling point or upper fixed point in degree centigrade and lower fixed point in degree centigrade we have to find out, right? So, what is the upper fixed point in degree centigrade? 100 degree centigrade. Water boils at 100 degree centigrade at sea level. Yes. Where there is sea, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade because the atmospheric pressure is higher there. What is the atmospheric pressure? Higher. What is the value? 760 mm of Hg. What is that? 760 mm of Hg. But in Kathmandu, at which temperature water boils? Do you know? Water does not need 100 degrees centigrade to boil in Kathmandu. It boils at 96 degrees centigrade because atmospheric pressure is more or less, a bit less. Then on the surface of moon there is no water, right? So when there is no atmospheric pressure, water boils at 0 degrees centigrade. Water boils at 0 degrees centigrade at 0 atmospheric pressure. Understood or not? What is the lower fixed point in degree centigrade? 0 degree centigrade. And degree Fahrenheit? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Oh, 212. 32 plus 180 we can write here. Means it becomes 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And lower one is how much? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit also becomes like R. What happened? And Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. We don't write degree. And here 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin. Oh, no. 0 Kelvin is absolute zero. Last time we have discussed, isn't it? 273 Kelvin. So these are the upper fixed points and lower fixed points. So in different scales, upper fixed point is the temperature at which water boils. Lower fixed point is the temperature at which water changes into liquid. Liquid changes into liquid, right? Or solid. Solid. No, actually listen. Water changes into liquid, changes into solid, that is same. Melting point and freezing point you have to remember. Okay, one second, let's remember. What is here? Melting point. What is melting point? The temperature at which solid changes into liquid. Then again, freezing point. Freezing point. So that is liquid to solid. So children, freezing point of water is how much? Melting point of water is how much? At 0 degree centigrade, water freezes into from liquid to solid, or it changes solid to liquid. Okay, that is same thing. Right? So now next thing is calibration of thermometer. Means process of determining the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point on a newly constructed thermometer. We know thermometer is the device that is used to measure temperature, and we have to mark their scale on it. There must be ruler on it, and we have to check which one measures what temperature. So that process is called calibration of thermometer. Suppose here is one device. You can see here one thermometer is there, one glass tube is there. Inside the glass tube we have kept mercury. What is kept there? Glass mercury. And there is capillary tube. What is that? Capillary tube. Why capillary tube is there? So that mercury can go up and down. The level can rise and fall. And to find the lower fixed point, where should we keep that thermometer? In ice. Why? The temperature of ice is how much? 0 degree centigrade. And what value comes, or up to where the mercury goes, we have to mark there at 0 degree centigrade. Now please make your concept clear. Eh? There is one thermometer. What is there? Thermometer. In this thermometer, there is no scale, no values are given. No values are given. We have to find out at which level it shows the boiling point of water, at which level it shows melting point of water. That process is called calibration of thermometer. At first, what are you going to find out? Lower fixed point, means melting point of water. For that, the thermometer is kept in where? Ice. If so, mercury level goes up or just reaches up to certain height? Certain height only. Isn't it? Because this is very low temperature. then we can mark it as 0 degree centigrade. Right? Afterwards, again same thermometer must be kept in boiling water. Where to keep? Here is bulb. If the bulb is placed in boiling water, slowly the level of mercury goes up or not, then it may go up to here. And this is lower. What is it? Lower fixed point. And what is this? Upper fixed point. Now, are here two points are not markings? One is upper, another is lower. After finding these 2 points, what to do? Divide this distance into how many equal parts? How many equal parts? 100. So that one part equals to how much degree? 1 degree. Understood, Anand? So this phenomenon is called calibration of thermometer. So first we have to find lower fixed point. To find lower fixed point, place that in ice. To find upper fixed point, you can place in where? Boiling water. When you keep in boiling water, the mercury level goes much more higher and it will be constant over there. Stationary, it doesn't move at all. So we can mark it. But when you take out from there again, mercury level will fall down or not? Yes. And after finding these 2 points, upper fixed point and lower fixed point, divide into 200 equal parts. Then one part equals to 1 degree in Celsius. In Celsius. But in Fahrenheit, what to do? In Fahrenheit, we have to mark lower one is how much? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Upper one, 212 degree Fahrenheit. The distance between them must be divided into how many equal parts? How many equal parts? 180. Because here 100 minus 0 is 100. But here 200 minus 32 is. So each division is equals to how much? 1 degree Fahrenheit. But in case of Kelvin, what do they do? So lower fixed point is marked as 273 Kelvin. Upper 373 Kelvin. What are the divisions? 100 means 1 division equals to 1 Kelvin. This is calibration of thermometer. What is that? Calibration of thermometer. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss about MCQ. What do you discuss? MCQ. I don't know whether you have done or not. Now, please read question number 1. What is given there? Average kinetic energy. What is it? But I noticed it was given MCQ. They have done like this. Now, which one is correct? First or done? That's why such type of thing must not be done. And next time I will ask you to circle. If so, it will be quite easy. Yeah, this time they have done with pencil. I have just considered mark this time. Next time I will make it a bit more compact one or complicated so that you will be a bit alert. No, otherwise some children they were doing with pencil also. Those who do with pencil, I will just cut it, and they have to circle it. Now see if circle, then it does it up here. Hey, they don't make a circle like this. Sir, circle. Question number 2, B, 1B. Which of the following is equivalent to 1 calorie heat? 4.2. Which one is correct? 4.2 joule. Your temperature like this. Number C. Which of the following is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin, are you sure? Yes, Kelvin is SI unit. Others are supplementary units. Number D. Which type of thermometer has a thermistor in its end? Digital thermometer. Number E. What is the range of temperature on the scale of lab thermometer? Minus 10 to? Okay, there are given 4. So, minus 10 to 100. Number F. Which of the following sets are in the order of freezing and boiling points of alcohol? Freezing and boiling. Which one is correct? Minus 117 and 78. I think this is right. Please be confirm. Hey, is okay? Done? Yes. All right. Now, children, we are discussing question number G. What does question number G say? Land breeze occurs at night. From at night, cold air goes from land to sea. They are still confused. Sea breeze means cold air comes from sea to land at daytime or during daytime, and land breeze, cold air blows from land to sea. That is night time, right? Remember. Number X. Which of the following is the specific capacity of mercury? 140 joule per kg degree centigrade. Next number. Specific. First one. I think nature is also merciful to us, right? Nature has given everything. It has given medicine also. It has given poison also. It has given good people also, bad people also. So we have to make company with good people and discard the bad people. Right? Okay. Number J.
While studying class number stock directly in class B as shown in the diagram, which one is the best way to separate them? B. By placing hot water in glass B.
By placing hot water in glass B. I think this is okay. Then it will expand and slowly it will lose. Hey. So these are already done. Now children, it's already 16:08. Now your duty is to do classwork. What is the classwork? Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. That is your classwork. The short question you can do it. Now here are long questions. Long questions A to I. Give reasons A, B, C. Okay, that will be discussed on Monday. So now your duty is to solve this and bring. Group A, B, C, D is there, or how we have divided the students? A, B, C, D. Group A, who are the members of Group A? Now let's start from Group A. Okay, Sopan, question number A, B, C only. Only 3 questions you sent, right? And next one, which again? Raju, question number D, E, F. 3 questions. Next one, Nilisa, G, H, I. Okay. Then give reasons. Give reasons in Nirajan. Oh, how many are here? Oh, many are there, Nirajan. So Nirajan will do up to C, D, G, H. Up to I use it. A to I only because more work is not given. So we will discuss and make it. Okay, Group A's turn is over. Group B. Group B. Group B, okay. Sasank, your duty is to do J to Q. Yeah. Only up to Sasank, right? Then on that day, I will be discussing about diagrammatic questions and numerical problems. Is that clear? So right now, do all this. Be sincere.